12 minutes at 180 centigrade may have been a little much for these ones on the top shelf. Just a little, they're slightly browned there, especially there. They're not burned, they should be alright. That one seems to have come open. I have some here that were on the bottom shelf. The rest of this tray have gone back in for a few minutes where you can hear the oven. I have cut them open, I have not tried them. It occurs to me I may have forgotten to mention there is a red onion in this mix, so don't be giving these to dogs. Not that you're here to do so. I haven't tried them yet. I anticipate that the flavour is going to be, ow, oh my goodness, that's at 175 degrees centigrade, why did I put that in my mouth? But, only one way to find out. That's rather sweet. Handful of dates and sweet piquante chilies. May have been, along with the cream and the honey and the pastry, may have been a bit too much sweetness. It's good. You can taste the onion. It's very much a sweet chili mix. Mild sweet chili mix. Not sure what you put in there to change that. But if you like it fiery and sour, maybe throw in a whole lot of green jalapenos instead. I'm calling this a success. I apologise for anyone who can hear me chewing the rest of that one. Mission accomplished.